Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Notion for tracking your marketing campaigns. This is your full 2025 guide. First up, set up a new page on Notion. This is where you'll create your marketing campaign tracker. Having a dedicated page for this helps you compartmentalize all your marketing efforts in one place, making it easier to manage. Now that we've done that, let's add properties to your page. These are essentially columns where you can input data. Include properties like campaign name, start and end dates, budget, and performance metrics. The reason we do this is to have a clear overview of each campaign's details and progress in one glance. Next up, fill in your campaign's details. This will serve as the backbone of your tracker. Consistently updating your tracker with the latest data ensures that you're always on top of your campaigns. Now, time to add views to your tracker. Views allow you to see your data in different formats, such as in a calendar, board, or list. This helps us because it provides a varied perspective on your campaigns. For instance, a calendar view will help you visualize your campaign timelines better. And finally, use Notion's filter and sort features. They allow you to view specific data, such as campaigns that went over budget or those that performed exceptionally well. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By doing this, you're essentially making your tracker more efficient, allowing you to quickly extract the information you need. In wrapping up, using Notion for tracking marketing campaigns can significantly streamline your workflow and keep you organized. You'll have all the necessary data at your fingertips and can make informed decisions faster. And that's it for today's tutorial. Keep tracking and stay tuned for more tips.